Good morning everyone, respected teachers. I am Kiran Tiwari, student of Bhavrav Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir of class 12th D. I am stand before you to explain a chapter of Deep Water which is written by William Orville Douglas. William Orville Douglas is an advocate in Supreme Court of USA. He gives his 36 years to justice in Supreme Court of USA. The theme of the story is how a child overcomes from his fear of deep water. The characters are William Orville Douglas, William's father, William's mother and the 18-year-old boy, and the fourth one is the swimming instructor. The story begins when the narrator recalls the incidents which took place in his childhood. He was decided to learn swimming when he was 10 or 11 years old. Before stepped in pool, he recalls that day when he goes with his father in a beach. The waves knocked him into the air and overcome of him. This incident filled a dark and he frightened by this incident. After a few years, when he saw many people of his age swimming, his fascinated extracted. He decided to learn swimming again. He sat beside the pool, YMCA pool in Yakima. One day, an 18-year-old boy took him away and tossed into the pool, and the narrator comes down in 9 feet. The pool was not for children, the pool was for adults. The 18-year-old boy don't know this, and the narrator goes down and down. Then suddenly he planned a strategy to come up with a big jump, but he's come slowly. Then he decided to come fast and fast, but he don't come. Then her body got paralyzed and only his heart working. He can't see anything. The water only look like yellow. Then when he see all this, he got nothing. Then when he opened his eyes, he saw many of people and he is vomiting water. After this incident, the narrator more frightened with this fear, and he always away from water because her mother also tells him away from water. When he was got adult, then he decided to learn swimming with a swimming instructor. He appointed a swimming instructor in a pool who instructed him how to swim. First he tied him with a rope and belt. Then he taught him how to inhale and exhale in water. Then he taught him how move our legs and hands in the water. Then after these instructions, the narrator is able to swim alone in a pool. After this, he overjoyed every swimming. He is able to fishing, boating even. At the end, he tells if we have willpower and courage, we can defeat any fear and we can overcome from any fear. The conclusion of the story: if we have courage, we can overcome with any fear.